normal.
What happened?
It's a wait.
Huh?
Cut the hair. Cut the hair.
Cut the hair?
Cut the hair.
No, you will sleep with the car in your head.
I can't get out. I can't get
Teka, kasi nga, don't put in your head.
We need scissors.
Ano
Scissor,
scissor?
no. Ayaw doon din scissor.
Wala ka na hair.
No, gonna poke nut.
Wait. What happened?
So silly.
Yeah.
Don't put in your hair. You wanna put it again?
No.
Oh.
I'm going to get stuck again.